Do you want to see $100 Prime Opinion payment proof and find out exactly how this platform works and what the earning potential is? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and I have been asked many times to show Prime Opinion payment proof because I have talked about it before, and therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you exactly how to withdraw. I will show you the payment proof, and we'll also talk a little bit about the overall earning potential so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I show you the payment proof, I just want to make it clear who can join, because Prime Opinion is a paid service site that also has an app, so you can use it on both Android and iOS devices, and it's available in many countries. You can just see here also in different languages. You see it's available in US, Canada, Australia, Germany. There you see all these different countries. Here is countries you can join from, and I also have a list of these countries here on my website there. I'll leave a link to that below, so if you decide to join there, you can go and check that out, find the link for your country. But also I want to make it clear, this is not a full tutorial, because I do have that somewhere else. I've talked about that, shown exactly how it works somewhere else, so I'll leave a link to that below also, so you can find that full tutorial on my website. Here I will focus on the payment proof, because many people have asked about that. They've asked more about the earning potential, so I will first now jump in, show you how I withdraw $100, and then we'll talk about the earning potential also, and a few other tips and ideas about how to optimize your earnings here. So I have now logged into Prime Opinion, and let's just jump straight to it with the payment proof. You can see up here I have now managed to get to like 10,000 points and a little bit more, and 1,000 points is $10, so it means like 100 points is $1. So just so you know the conversion ratio, so that means I have just above $100 now. So now I just need to select my reward. And just be aware that the exact rewards that are available will vary depending on the country you live in. In many countries, at least you can get paid in PayPal if you want to get paid in cash. Some countries also offer other options, for example, like a bank transfer. You see also Venmo, Revolut. There in some countries, a lot of different gift cards to choose from, also prepaid cards, a lot of charities you can donate to. So for the purpose of this video, however, I will choose to get paid via PayPal. And you can then see the different options here, and you can see I actually get a 5% discount, and this comes down to the membership levels where you can get different benefits. We'll talk a little bit about that later, because that's one of the ways you can optimize your earnings here. But that means now, because I have waited here, and many people have also asked, can you take out bigger amounts? So I wanted to show that, and also because I've been paid by it before, so I'm not worried about leaving money here too long. In general, you know, I recommend that you don't accumulate too much on service sites before cashing out, but in this case here I actually could save 5% there, so therefore I waited here, and then now I will choose to get $100. So I now just choose select here, and then you can see it has chosen it here, and then I just need to click to claim it. And then you just need to fill out the PayPal email address, and of course I blurred mine out for privacy reasons. And then you can see you will actually receive your reward via email within 30 minutes. So you basically get paid instantly. Some service sites, you know, they take forever before you will get paid, or at least several days, or sometimes even weeks. But here you will actually get paid immediately, and it's up to 30 minutes. Sometimes you actually do get paid even faster. So now I just need to click here to claim the reward. And that was it. You can then see here the reward is on its way, and I will also leave a screenshot here so you can see the email from PayPal. The money did go into my account there. I will also there write exactly how long it took. But let's now then talk about the overall earning potential and a few ideas to how you can optimize that. So let's start by just going over a few ideas for earning a little bit extra. And one method is, as you can see in the top corner here, there is something called streaks. So you just need to keep a streak, and then you can actually participate in price draws there. Again, be aware that there can be some differences of the exact payout options, all these things here, depending on the country you live in. But this is one option. Another way here is to be aware of your membership level. You can see I currently have gold here. This is just you just need to be active, then you will earn points. There's no exact information about exactly how many points or how you need to earn to move up levels, but if you just keep being active, you will move up. And you can see, for example, here I reached this level here, and that's why I got that reward discount there. You see there's also one more level there. You know, hopefully I will achieve that fairly soon, and then there will also be early access to new features. For example, here you can also see already when you move to bronze there, then you will get access to live chat support, which is really cool. Not a lot of service sites offer that. So this can be another way to get some benefits just by keep being active. So just be aware of that, check in on that once in a while and see what benefits you have. It's not something you can as such do anything extra to get it faster, you just have to keep being active. So another thing to be aware of is the leaderboard. There is a leaderboard contest here, so you can see they have monthly, they give away prizes. You can see the top earner, for example, here will actually get $50. Again, there might be some variations depending on the country you live in. Here you can also see the top earner, so it's just something to be aware of, keep an eye on, because you can see, even if you don't end up in the top 3, you see they give rewards here to a lot of different people, a little bit of extra points. So it can be worth just checking in on where are you, take a few extra service to move up the ladder there when you get closer to the end of the month, or if you keep being active the whole month, of course it'll be easier to end up at the top. So this can also be a way to earn extra. Also, there is a way to earn extra by inviting friends. You can see you can earn 10% there as a commission, so it will not take anything away from the people that join through your invitation link. This is all paid by Prime Opinion. They will earn the same, but that means if you know anybody that wants to join and earn by taking paid service, you can invite them and you can earn a commission also. That can also be a way to boost your earnings. So these are some ideas of how to boost your earnings. Of course, being active, keep taking the surveys, all those things, that's the best way to earn. But then these extra aspects here can boost your earnings. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential also. So the overall earning potential on any service site will of course vary depending on the country you live in, but overall Prime Opinion pays very well for the service compared to many other service sites. I have tested hundreds of different service sites and it is one of the sites with some of the highest rewards, and I really like to both have the website and app also, so you can take service on the go. That's very convenient. But on the website itself, again, you can go and find the exact website for your country. I'll leave a link to that below so you can find for the countries that it's currently recruiting in. But you can see there also, it says, for example, here for the US, it says the average earner or user earned $11 and you can cash out from $5. That's in general like a very low payout threshold in most countries, but you can go to each country. So if we, for example, jump here to the UK, you see also average earner, the user there. In Germany, you see also, you can see exactly that information there, Philippines, but you can just go there also and find your country there before signing up. See both what payout options does it offer, what is the average earnings there. This doesn't mean that you're guaranteed, for example, to earn $11 just for signing up. That means that it has the potential, and you can also then see once you're inside, look at the leaderboard. I showed you that earlier there. Then you can see in your country, okay, what are the top earners currently earning? So that gives you a very good idea of the overall earning potential. So I can't say exactly, oh, this is how long it will take you to earn $100. In some countries, if you're very active, and once you start having built up your membership level and all those there, so you get those benefits, then it's possible some days to earn like $10, $11, sometimes even more, right? On a good day. So that means like also $100, in some countries, you saw the leaderboard also there, definitely possible to earn in a month. But that will not always be the case. That will of course require you to be active, and it depends on your country. In some countries, some very active users can even earn more in a month. In other countries, if you're not very active, maybe it will take, like, of course, quite a bit longer to earn $100. So I can't say exactly, oh, how long does it take and all that, because it depends on that. And of course also, if you then start inviting friends, that can also boost your earnings and make you get there faster. But anyways, no matter where you live, it has a low payout threshold, and the payout threshold will definitely be fast to reach. So as you can see, Prime Opinion definitely does pay, and I have tested for quite a while now, and I actually really like it. It's user friendly. You can take service on the website, you can take service on your phone. It gives a great joining bonus. It has great payout options, low payout threshold. It pays very fast. In fact, here, also in this case here, I actually also saw the email with the payment proof coming in like, less than 2 minutes after I had actually recorded that I withdrew there. So it pays out very fast compared to many other service sites. So overall, if you're not a member yet, then it's definitely one of the service sites I recommend joining. So I will leave a link below to a list I have of the different countries, the links to the different different countries joining links there. So that's also my invitation link that will also support my channel. I of course appreciate that support. So you can check that out and join the platform for you if you decide this is for you. Also, I will leave a link below to a full written tutorial I have on my website. So if you want to know even more details, you can check that out there also. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.